What is an online business manager? OBM skills, salary and success path explained. Running a digital business is exciting, but chaotic. Orders, emails, deadlines, it all adds up. That's where an online business manager, OBM, steps in. They don't just support your business, they run it. An online business manager handles the daily operations of a digital business room. Think of them as the right hand to a CEO. They manage teams, launch projects, fix broken workflows, and make sure the business runs, even while the CEO sleeps. Compared to traditional managers, OBMs are tech-driven. They use tools and systems to automate chaos, improving productivity by 35% and boosting customer satisfaction by 20%. Bella Style Boutique, for example, hired an OBM to lead their remote team, track sales, and manage customers using Google Analytics. The result? Fewer bottlenecks, more sales. Now, let's flip the script. Want to become an OBM? It's not a walk in the park, but the rewards are real. Step 1. Start freelancing. Platforms like Upwork and Fiverr are where 60% of OBMs begin. Offer services like project management, digital marketing, or virtual assistants. Step 2. Gain experience. Work on live digital projects. Learn how to handle deadlines, teams, and clients. Over 75% of OBMs say that project management is the most important skill. Step 3. Get educated in certified courses from platforms like HubSpot Academy or dedicated OBM certifications take 3 to 6 months. Fast track options help you upskill faster, and certified OBMs can earn 30% more. Sarah, a freelancer, became a full-time OBM in a year and got a 20% salary boost. John took a 3-month certification and saw a 50% jump. Great OBMs don't just know what to do, they know how to lead. Here are the skills that make the difference. Leadership and team management. Lead projects, assign roles, make decisions. OBMs increase team productivity by 28% when they communicate clearly. Communication, emails, meetings, feedback. Clear communication can improve efficiency by 21%. Tech and digital tools. OBMs use tools like Asana, Trello, Slack, and Zoom. In fact, 80% of OBMs rely on automation tools to save time. Tool usage stats. Asana, 42%, Trello, 28%, Slack, 25%, Zoom, 18%. Time management. OBMs juggle tasks. Smart ones use tools like Time Doctor or Clockify and prioritize what really matters. OBM time breakdown. Project management, 45% client communication, 20% reports, 15% team coordination, 10% admin tasks, 10% so. Should you become an OBM if you're someone who loves strategy, organization, and helping others grow? This role was made for you. Whether you're a freelancer looking to level up or a digital nomad seeking long-term roles, OBM is the path to meaningful, scalable success. And with businesses going remote globally, OBMs are more in demand than ever. Ready to start your OBM journey? Download our free OBM starter kit in the description. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more digital business insights.